Jambo.
In Western Kenya, where I come from, we value chicken so much that it is only eaten on special occasions. If you can afford to eat chicken regularly, it's a sign that you are well off and belong to the elite. When you have visitors, to make them feel valued, you have to prepare some chicken meat for them. When they are leaving, it is customary to give them another chicken as a gift. This norm is associated with people from Western Kenya, where the chicken is a symbolic bird. Chickens are also a symbol of wealth. Owning chickens can indicate prosperity and social status in some communities. Chickens are relatively low maintenance compared to larger livestock, making them a practical choice for households with limited resources or space.
We had a lengthy conversation. Since it had been 5 years since we last met, we had a lot to share. He asked about my education and when I am going to finish. We reminisced about the sweet old memories, like when he used to carry me across flooded rivers on his shoulder. Sometimes I would visit him for a month when we were on school break. He is one of my mom's brothers. He also has a large tea plantation, which he plucks from every day to be taken to the factory. The chickens on his compound are for sale. But when an important visitor like me arrives, he will prepare one for me and maybe even gift me one before I leave.
You've done good.
In Kenya, chickens mostly roam freely on the farm, feeding on insects, grains, and grass. However, if you are keeping them on a large scale, you will have to buy chicken feed for them. Traditionally, before the emergence of chicken feeds, people used to trap termites in areas known to have them. My uncle still does that because his homestead has areas with termites. He traps them every day, and his chickens always have termites to eat.
Kuku. Kuku. Yeah, kwa nazo.
Lakini sio mingi vile kama vile alikuwa Msambai.
Yeah, kuna kanga, kuku. Taki.
The chickens are having a feast. You can tell how excited they are. Termites are a nutritious food source for chickens, providing protein, fat, vitamins, and minerals. Chickens naturally forage for insects like termites, so allowing them to feed on termites satisfies their natural behavior and dietary needs. Termites can serve as a valuable supplemental feed, especially in environments where natural foraging is limited, promoting better growth, feather quality, and immune function in chickens.
Looking for the termites.
Uncle, what is
Okay.
Uncle?
I think they are looking for some here. Let's try. So this is my mother's brother. He's my uncle. You can tell he's a farmer with plenty of chickens. Hapa ndio unazipata? Hapa ndio unazipata?
Nimetega.
Oh.
Ndio hizo.
Oh. Wow.
Basically, what is done is you take corn stalks, chop them into smaller pieces which termites love to feed on, as they might be their delicacy, dig a small hole where the termites are, put in the stalks, and let them sit overnight. The following day, you will have trapped enough termites for your chickens. Alternatively, some people use grass, but corn stalks are sweet, which may be why termites like them.
Mlafi wewe.
Nani mlafi kuku?
Mimi ndio nabeba.
Unabeba? Okay. Twende tuzilishe.
So naona kama hiyo shimo mnachimba shimo tu kama hii.
Yeah. Alafu
Lakini ziko mingi, ziko hapa mingi. Unaweza tega hii kitu karibu miezi 2, kitega tu kila siku. Na haziishi.
Oh.
Nikikuja tena niweka zingine tena baada ya siku 2 nitazipata. Ndio singombe hata kesho baada nitazipata. Zimekula zimetoroka.
That's amazing.
Zinakula kile kile.
They trap the termites and then they feed the chickens.
Most people in Kenya feed chickens corn, because corn is the staple food in Kenya. We also call it maize. Corn is usually readily available, and it's cheap. That's how we call the chicken. When you do that, they will all assemble. You can compare this to Ivan Pavlov's theory of classical conditioning.
That's how he calls them. So kipiga piga hivyo nazita. Oh. Wow. This is how he calls them.
Toka. Wajenge tukuna fiki lanza. Toka hapo.
Oh, haukujua nani aliye. My uncle says there's a person who waits for him to leave for his other errands, then comes and steals his chickens. He has never known who does that. He was asking if he could prepare some more chickens for me to take to my friends in the United States so that they could have a taste of an African chicken. However, I told him I might not be allowed to fly with food such as chicken.
Can you pass to the illegal?
No.
Hizi hazishibagi. Mahindi utazipika zikula ziwache. Lakini hizi haziwezi kuwa.
Sioni mageni hata
Ndio hii.
They are eating termites. African chickens are usually strong and have more muscle mass, hence more meat. Most African chicken breeds are naturally robust and have been bred over generations for traits like disease resistance, adaptability to harsh environments, and overall strength. In many African settings, chickens may have access to a variety of natural foods, including insects, grain, and vegetation, which can contribute to their strength and vitality. Yeah, they are the African termites. chickens are often raised in environments where they have to forage for food, which can promote to natural behaviors and physical fitness. African chickens are also known for their resistance to certain diseases, which can contribute to their overall strength and survival rate. Yeah.
Zinaonekana. Vizuri.
Yeah. My uncle wants to gift me a chicken. The cock. She wants to gift me a chicken. Mnataka mnisaidie kushika? Oh. Sawa sawa.
ukiingia kwa majani.
He is chopping the corn stalks for the following day.
Unakatakata tu hivi.
Then unaziweka pale magezi ndani. Wanted to know the difference between coconut and palm trees, as well as the difference between coconut milk and coconut water. Here's what I told him. Coconut trees produce coconuts with water and meat, while palm trees produce various fruits. Coconut trees' leaves are longer and feathery, with slender trunks often found in tropical coastal areas. Palm trees' leaves can vary in shape, with trunks that can be slender or thick, growing in a variety of climates. Coconut water is the clear liquid inside the young coconuts, known for its hydration properties. Coconut milk, made from blending mature coconut flesh with the water, is creamy and used in cooking as a dairy alternative, being higher in fat and calories than coconut water. My uncle wants to give to me a chicken, but might refuse. That is a norm here. When a visitor visits you, you see them off with a chicken. Let's see. Got it. That's mine. Tafunga miguu ama? I want to try the legs. This is the chicken you gave me.
Sasa uliuzi zadi na ngira nadi.
Nitarudi uko 31st. All right, see you later. Yeah, so gifted this. All I can say is thank you. All I can say is thank you. So my uncle will be taking us home. It's been a nice visit. And I'm signing off with a gift. We're gonna make some broth out of it for soup. So this is what they can afford, so